this video we will cover how to create a project in SolarEdge Designer. Step 1. Click on the plus sign to start your project. Enter the site information. The tool automatically selects the closest weather station. Now enter the customer name. The most common grid voltage is auto-selected for you, and click Create. Step 2. Draw the rooftop or array area. Use the Draw tool to trace the edges of the roof on top of the aerial image. Outline the roof first. Remember, sometimes the aerial image can be taken at an angle, so always use the snapping points to help us get an accurate 2D sketch. This will help us later with a 3D rendering. Now draw the internal roof edges. Add any obstacles with the Obstacles tool. And now let's switch to 3D mode. Select a roof facet and lift the ridgeline up like this to get the roof pitch. Step 3. Now we're going to place the modules. Click the PV Module Placement tab. Select a roof facet where you intend to place the modules. Define the module type. Now you'll see based on the pitch that Designer automatically defaults to flush mount racking in portrait mode. You can change this if needed. Now we can add some spacing here. Click Apply, and now let's click on a point anywhere in the facet where we want to drag and add modules. You can see how any modules outside of the roof area or that overlap modules or other obstacles don't get added. You can also add any setbacks for fire code like this. Here we're going to select an edge and drag it to create a 3-foot access pathway. And you can see some of the modules are invalidly placed. So we're going to move our array a little bit and then extend the array all the way to the end of the rooftop. After placing our modules, click Entire Site here and select any other facets where you want to place the modules. You can start adding them right away or removing them as needed. Alright, now we have 28 modules and almost a 9 kilowatt array. So let's move on to step 4, electrical design. Designer creates a recommendation based on the site location, electricity grid voltage, sizing, DC power, and a target DC to AC ratio. If we increase the DC to AC ratio, we can get another recommendation automatically like this. Click on Generate to now add inverters to the design. Now we need to define the strings by assigning power optimizers to the modules. Using the String tool, click on an unassigned module. Now let's drag the power optimizers through the string. And remember, it's best to zoom in for this part to make the connections between modules easier. Click again on an unassigned module to create another string. Designer will automatically check your system against SolarEdge's design requirements so that you know you have a valid design in real time. The last step is to generate our energy production report. Click on Reports and Summary. Here you have a summary of the design and an annual energy estimate. We also provide a bill of materials complete with SolarEdge part numbers to assist when ordering through your distributor to make sure you get the right parts. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more how-to instruction from SolarEdge.